Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules millimetres. Material's been wetted. Okay, the white that you can see there's a reflection of the lights. First piece is a seam of opal going through the middle here. It's a bit disjointed over this side, but worthwhile. Maybe putting a saw blade through here, grind down. And that piece, the other piece, it's got some nice colour up here on this corner. Just need to grind down to see what you've got, if anything. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.